So you'd like to set up Apple Classroom on your teacher and students' iPads for your classes. Simple. Let's do it. First, we want on the teacher iPad, go into settings and into Wi-Fi, and we want to click on MCSD Net and make sure private Wi-Fi address is off. That's very important that it's off. Now we're going to leave and go to the Apple Classroom app. I'm going to hit plus, give our class a name. Let's call it period 12. That way I'm not confusing it with anything else. I can pick an icon and a color. I could even give it a description. Period 12. And now I can, with an iPad from a student close by, I'm going to start class and I'm going to go to invite students. Now I have 9685 is the code, and if I look over here, it should pop up. I may have to drag it down. Sometimes I want to toggle on and off Bluetooth, but there it is, Classroom. There's no app that's needed on the student. So tap Classroom, click Add Period 12, type in their name. You don't need the last name unless there are two students. And Bob for apples, and we'll go 9685, add, look over here, Bob is there. Now I could keep adding iPads in, but I don't really want to. I'm gonna click add. Now the student's in. Last thing you want to do is allow teacher to AirPlay and view screen. It says ask by default. You want to change that to always. If you don't, every time you try and push something out to them or mute their iPad or see what is on their screen, it's going to ask them. And that kind of defeats the purpose. Do this for all of the class. When it comes time for the next one, it doesn't say invite students down here, but it does up here. That little 3-dot menu, invite students. And at the end, please remember to end class, and done. If you need to delete a class, click edit and that little X's appear, and then you can just delete the class. Okay, hope this was helpful.